Silent on mine through the roar of the waters, break not your breezes, your chain of repose. When murmuring mournfully, leaves lonely darling, tells to the night star her tale of woes. When will the swan hear dead notes singing? Sleep with the wings in darkness full. When shall in its sweet bell ringing call my spirit from this stormy sadly mourn to the winter when weeping. Fate bids me languish on its way, yet still in the darkness doth late lie sleeping. Still though the pure light is down in delay, when will the day star mildly springing warm our ears with peace and love? When shall in its sweet bell ringing call my spirit to the fields of old? Call my spirit to the fields of old.